Thank you, Martha. I have a big note, and I'm going to read a lot from this note, so bear with me. uh, uh, I think we should, this is an expression of gratitude to different actors who have taken part in this event in various capacities. First, the people, the participants. In the morning, we had closer to 26 or 27 participants. Understandably, it has dwindled this afternoon, but we are very much grateful for all of you to come to this interesting event and dedicating your time and to share your thoughts and ideas with us and with the speakers. Thank you very much. That's much, much appreciated. We have also the partner, Martin Luther University, based in Halle, Germany, long-term partner. That partner has been in place partnership since 2010, as closer to 16 years, and focusing on primarily student exchange, especially focusing on PhD students. And our PhD students have benefited immensely from this partnership, especially at the initial stage of forming their ideas, developing their proposals. That is immeasurable, and also staff exchange. That is also quite a beneficial dimension of this partnership. And we had also a PhD dimension. 3 of our staff did their PhD in this context, in this partnership, and so it has also staff capacity building that is also quite beneficial, interesting. Dr. Marta is a product of that partnership and in doing her PhD and also other engagements. And Dr. Jonas has also currently our Vice Dean has also benefited from that process. Of course, the school has benefited from this partnership. I think we should be quite thankful. And also the PhD colloquium, this annual ritual, and that PhD colloquium has training, writing up training skill. And tomorrow we'll be having that, and also the day after tomorrow. So we'll be having that training. This year we have 8 PhD students, and almost all of them with teaching background, very excellent students, very fortunate for these students and for us to be part of this exercise. And also our PhD students, from Martin Luther University, Halle, coming here also benefiting from this exchange, this partnership. And also the recent addition is this conference. This conference has been on the title Ethiopia's Capital Market, a new era for investment regulation and governance. And it has been sponsored by and funded by this partnership with Martin Luther University. This is a new addition as one of the most useful dimensions of this partnership. So we hope this partnership will be sustainable and will stay long in the interest of the university, in the interest of also the school, and embedded in these formal activities, which have arisen out of this partnership, has been also cultural exchange, exchange of ideas, exchange of cultures, and we should also be quite bold to thank again and again Professor Christian. We are not using his last name because he has been Ethiopianized, and we use his first name. So Professor Dr. Christian, thank you very much, very, very appreciated. You have been quite patient with us and persistent in this exercise, and your role has been quite instrumental. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. In the name of the students who have benefited, in the name of the staff who have benefited, and also on behalf of legal education and in Ethiopia and the School of Law, thank you very much. Thank you. It's much appreciated. I hope the new delegate, this year's delegate, will enjoy your stay here in this very warm weather, and it may rain maybe for the coming couple of days, but it doesn't hurt. It will shine immediately after the rain. So normally it was not supposed to be raining because April ended and May started, and this was supposed to be a warm season before the big rainy season starts towards the end of June, July and August. But because you know this climate change, you experience it wherever you go, so a little bit natural shift has occurred. That explains why we are having occasionally rain in Gimbot or May. Okay, of course, Gimbot is just closer. So thank you very much. The speakers, the presenters, quite impressed by the topics and the way you have articulated the topics, and thank you, because among the speakers we have got only one staff, full-time academic staff, the rest part of the legal education, part of the alumni, so thank you very much. This is a very recent topic for Ethiopia, capital market, even if it's an old, I think, institution elsewhere. But for us, this emerging topic and also addressed mostly by vibrant young generation. This, I think, implies that the area is attracting young leaders, young professionals. It's quite promising. It has some economic dimension, policy dimension, legal dimension, but I think you are grappling, maybe also some mathematics in it, some statistics. You have faced it and you are grappling with that, and so there is hope, I think, for us and for Ethiopian market, capital market system. So thank you very much. It's much appreciated. I think you have received some feedback, and the feedback will continue. Especially, we're going to vet the papers, will be assessed, and also the editors, Dr. Jetu and Dr. Marta, will also provide feedback. And in preparation for this presentation, because you had to face the public, and I think you had to prepare your slides, and I think you reflected, I think you have gone through self-reflection, and so the quality of the papers are quite good, but they will be enhanced even greatly in the course of this process. And the papers will be published in the Ethiopian Civil and Commercial Law series, volume 12. This is a thematic publication. We have reached volume 11, so it will the papers will appear in volume 12 of this thematic annual publication, and I'm very eager to read this published manuscripts. I think you are also quite eager to read that, and Dr. Marta and Jotu will, of course, will support, will I think, do it quite soon without any delay. Thank you very much, the presenters. Then we have the moderators, Fakadu and Dr. Jotu. Thank you very much. You have done it. Where is Fakadu? He's left. He has left. Okay. Jotu has also left. By the way, Jotu has, I think you know, Prof. Christian has been appointed as a state minister, and so which means the state minister in charge of laws and policies, and at the Prime Minister's office, and he in the morning he was here, and I think he will be having time to complete this edition, I'm sure. So even if they are not here, my gratitude should go to these moderators and the editors. Of course, I have mentioned them, Dr. Marta and Jotu. Thank you very much for making it happen, especially Dr. Marta. You have been also the convener, not just the editor, so thank you. I hope you will continue to make this partnership more enhanced and more vibrant. Our partnership with Martin Luther University. I think I will end with one note. We have in Amharic we have this term tara. Tara. This refers to, when it's qualified, it refers to a market. We say barbare tara, we say bong tara, we say hill tara, we say so on and so forth. We have different forms of taras. Okay, these are segments of a market for cereals, a market for textiles, so on and so forth. It's a traditional concept, tara. So this is an extension of that traditional market, tara. The traditional market, tara, refers to goods, tangible goods, a market where tangible goods are traded and transacted. Of course, in that scheme, there are regulators, there are rules. They may be written, unwritten, and there are players, and there are values flowing. So here we are elevating that to market for intangibles, market for rights. Okay. So ይሄ ዘመናዊ የሰነደ መዋዕለ ንዋይ ገበያ ወይም ተራ ልንለው እንችላለን። ገበያን ከምነው ተራ እንለዋለን። So we are talking about የሰነደ መዋዕለ ንዋይ ተራ. The concept is there, the institution is there, the idea is there. It's not something strange because the economy is moving, let's say, expanding from predominantly tangible goods market to intangible goods market. That's the expansion. So it is our tara, but a special type of tara, ዘመናዊ tara, a modern type of tara. And this modern type of tara, it may have transnational implication and national implication, but it must be based on policy, law, and institutions, and also practice. So law school is contributing, let's say, starting to contribute to the development of this tara, tara for Sanada Mu'ala Noai. And we have, of course, in a graduate program, we have one course. market capital market, focusing on laws, institutions, and practices and theories. But this is a course which is directly focusing on capital market. We have also other courses, be it contract, civil procedure, and almost all other courses, including criminal law in one way or another. They serve as a foundation for market economy. I mean, especially capital market. But the focus, we have to zoom and focus on capital market, and we have to inject maybe more training, we have to inject more research, and also more academic efforts into this emerging market. And I'm just emphasizing the importance of what has been done by Martin Luther University based in Halle in sponsoring this research conference. You are basically enhancing the capacity of this market, yeah, exactly, and also the professionals. So we have to appreciate that, and we have to put it on the record. Today, the professor from Germany, Prof. Anne, shared her experience, especially the European mechanisms of regulating capital market, the core market, and then we have the agency issue, then we have tax and collective investment schemes, and then we have capital gain tax and shares and bonds, and we have licensing and regulation, and then dispute settlement, and finally by Theodoros cross-border capital market trading. Maybe this is an iceberg, at the tip of an iceberg. It's a tiny part of this vast emerging area, but in the future we'll respond and we'll continue as much as possible to the development of this nascent market. And finally, we have to end this session, but we are not ending the conversation. The conversation will continue with the editors and among yourselves, and we have also late afternoon coffee waiting for us, and let's enjoy. And thank you very much, much appreciated. Thank you.